Hey everyone! Thanks for joining us at our hydraulic breaker factory. Let me show you the how to choose a durability attachments in China. We've been in the construction machinery field for 23 years, so we really get what you and your clients need. No one wants a project to suddenly stop, right? That's why our mission is to make sure your project runs smoothly with no downtime. Our slogan is durability is the best. 1. We use durable materials and top brand components for all key parts. Two, proven production process ensure our products are built to last. Our rigorous inspection process to ensure durable quality. One mission: make your project run smoothly. 2. Vision: to be a global durable attachments brand of construction machinery. 3. Values: focus on quality, professional services and share results.